Mark here with DIY Wise. Today we're going to do a product review of Chemical Guys products, leather conditioner. First, we'll open up the box here. Ordered off of Amazon. Chemical Guys leather cleaner. Chemical Guys leather quick detailer, which I have been using the whole time. And leather conditioner. And I ordered a kit, so it also comes with professional microfiber towels. Chemical Guys. Microfiber applicators. It's to apply the conditioner. Alright, I got a 2017 Ram 2500 Cummins. It's the Longhorn edition, so it's got all the premium leather from what they say. I really do like it. It seems to be holding up well. We got the Chemical Guys leather conditioner here. I shook it up really good. It says to apply 1 to 3 lines of leather conditioner on here, and to apply it and massage it in there. And then we're going to dab it up here between the holes first. It says to massage it into it. Massage it into the leather. It says you can wipe dry if desired. Depends on the look you want, I guess, with it. They say if you wipe it more, it'll take some of the sheen off. And they say it carries a long way. I wanted to use it up top first. That way, down low, I was able to not get it inside the pores too much. I'm massaging it in. I can see up top already, it's sucking it in there. It was really glossy at first. Hopefully it's catching it. It was really glossy at first, and it's sort of the leather sucking it in. We're going to apply some of this to half of this. Again, put a couple of dots like they say to. Put a couple of dots on here, dab it around. We'll see what the difference looks on here on the top. If you're enjoying the video, please smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you. We'll pull the tape off of here. Oh, big difference. Look at that right there. It's nice and dry to the touch. We'll do the other side here. If you don't like that glossy look, they say you can buff it out some too. We're gonna put on the conditioner on this side just to see the difference. Then we'll clean the whole seat. All right, let's peel off this tape here. See what we have. You can see that solid line. We're going right down through there. It does have a shinier look to it now. It's more supple and cleaner. Got all those grit and grime off there. If you go across, you can feel the difference going across the seat from where it is and where it isn't. And so if you want to get this shine off of it more, you could buff it out. I'm going to go ahead and do that a little bit. And it's sitting in it, and everything else is going to buff it out itself. You got these Chemical Guys microfiber towels, and you can just buff it in there a little bit. It'll take a little bit of the shine off if that's what you like. Some people like a shine. So here what we're looking at on this side, we cleaned it and we conditioned it. This side we didn't touch. I haven't done this I've had the truck for 2 years. I've used conditioner. I've used actually Chemical Guys. I've used their leather quick detailer. Cleans, restores, and protects. I've used it every time I clean my truck, every couple weeks, every few months, every whatever it was at the time. But after cleaning and restoring, this is what I had after using the other product. So it obviously needed a deep clean. So yeah, I mean, you can see the difference. Move the camera around, and from this view you can definitely see the difference. So there's a big difference. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the rest of the vehicle. I'm going to work on the dashboard I have to do yet. I got to finish doing the steering wheel, the other door panels, my back seat, and then I'll show you the finished product. So we got the door panel done. It's 100% better than what it did. We had the makeup and stuff for my wife and kids on there, so I think it looks great. Feel the product, it's nice and soft again. We got the finished product here on the passenger side seat. Again, I am impressed. I am very happy with the product. You want to take some of that shine away. I mean, sitting in it will take it away, rubbing against it, but I mean, you can buff it out with a cloth. I'm fine with the way it is. It's gonna buff out itself. I'm gonna go over there and attack the steering wheel. Okay, so we got the conditioner here. Just gonna apply a little bit on the corner. See how it goes on the steering wheel. We let the steering wheel soak in some, and it's all nice and smooth now. There's no greasy feel, nothing tacky. I might put one more coat on it just because it's heavily used. And up on the dash, I coated the dash. It looks great. Cleaned up nice, cleaned it, and I conditioned it. The conditioner is actually UV protectant and has moisturizing agents for the leather. We'll get some conditioner on there now. Again, it's just the same process. Put a couple of drops on there. That's with the conditioner applied on there. We'll let her dry. Everything looks really well. Did take care of a lot of it. There's still a little bit of discoloration there. I'm going to try applying some more conditioner and see if it helps. Like I said, I think some of the dye came out or whatever may have happened. So I'm going to dab that in there, try to apply a little bit more just right there in that area. You leave it soak on and see what happens. This is after the clean. It definitely made a difference and took some of that discoloration away. So we'll get the conditioner on there. All right, I just applied the conditioner, and there's definitely a before and after. See over here, the discoloration, it's no longer there. It's got a little bit of gloss, but that soaks in. I mean, the difference is astronomical. I mean, my doors aren't even that dirty, and that made a big difference, except for my one passenger side door. It was pretty dirty from the makeup and stuff. After we put the cleaner on and the conditioner, and everything looks great here. I'm really happy and satisfied with the product. If you feel it, it's real supple. I mean, it's a lot softer. I mean, you can just feel the difference if I go to the other seats, and I could feel the pores more in the seat. The sides, it's smoother. Overall, I think the product worked really well. I had a little trouble area on my driver's seat, as you guys saw. Come out pretty good at the end here. As far as the interior, you could see some of it while we're sitting here. And I'll go through and I'll do a video and show the interior. Here's that troublesome area. It's right here. You can see it a little bit, but I mean, that's not anything to do with the product, but it did help, and the conditioner helped hide it. And center console, front seat, passenger side seat, steering wheel. Everything came out really well. I'm overall happy with the product. It cleaned it really well. Didn't leave a residue or anything. It soaked in. If If you want to buff out some gloss, I mean, the gloss went away itself. Otherwise, you can leave it go and it wears away. I've sat in the seat a couple times and it's already not wearing away, but the gloss gets buffed out. So I'm really impressed with the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner. My vehicle's a 2017 Ram 2500 Longhorn, and the leather almost looks brand new. If you made it this far into the video, please subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you. Overall, as you guys can see, it's extremely good product and I do recommend it. Thank you guys, and this is Mark with DIY Wise. See you next time.